How to find CVV on Chase app. Here's a simple guide on how to find the CVV on your Chase digital card using the Chase app. Perfect if you're making a purchase and don't have your physical card handy. Download or open the Chase app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play, Android. Log in with your username and password or use Face ID, fingerprint. From your account screen, tap on the credit card or debit card you want to use. Scroll and tap See Digital Card or Show Card Details. The app will prompt you to verify your identity using biometric authentication or your Chase password. Once verified, your card number, expiration date, CVV, 3-digit security code will be visible on screen for your digital card. If you need more information, please contact Chase App Customer Service. Chase App Customer Service will provide you with all the information. Thanks for watching.